Yo, what is good, YouTube? Back here with another reaction video. We got number 6 ranked Miami Hurricanes versus Louisville. Week 7 of college football. Let's get right into it. It should be a fun matchup. Louisville actually got some playmakers. They got Jacoby Brooks. You know, their wide receiver position is pretty stacked. Good return right here, though. But yeah. 3rd and 8, Louisville. Looking to take a shot down the field. He just overshot him. Cam Ward, obviously looking like a Heisman finalist early in the season. But yeah. Did he get that? Yeah, he got it. Okay. Big 3rd and 8 right here, Cam Ward. Getting outside the pocket. Just run. And he's got it. 3rd and 6, Ward. Just gonna dump it underneath for Stromo. Down the sideline, just gonna walk in for the touchdown. There is a flag. It's coming back. I was like, yeah, that was way too easy, bro. 3rd and 26 now, Cam Ward. So they're trying to scramble. Somehow breaks a sack. Goes back. I mean, he's got all day, bro. Now he's just going to take off. It gets in the field goal range. What is going on? So, field goal attempt from 50 yards is perfect. Okay. Miami to ACC championship game with a loss or a win. Yeah, they lose. Oh, good pass. Get Chris Bell. Brown up the middle. Oh, he tripped. 2nd and 2. Brown again. Uh-oh. Get to the outside. He burned his ass. Touchdown. Okay. That's what I'm saying, bro. That other run he had, bro, he would have been gone if he didn't trip up. And then right there down the sideline for the touchdown. What a run. Oh, good run. Okay. Fletcher up the middle again for at least what? That may be another first down. 2nd and 7, Ward. You can't get this dude too much time. He's just gonna throw it to the end zone. What a throw and catch! Okay, Cam Ward. Bro, what a throw by Cam Ward, bro. And he got 2 of them, man. That would have been good in the NFL. That's what I'm saying, bro. You can't drop it, it's Cam Ward. He's gonna find someone open. 4th and 1, QB sneak. I think he got it. 3rd and 3. Oh, look out! Wait, he got rid of that? Wow. At least he didn't get sacked, I guess. Cam Ward wide open, Restrepo. 2nd and short. Just gonna run that. Breaking tackles gets it though. Cam Ward 1st and 10. Just gonna float it up in the seam, kind of wide open. Just gonna walk in for the touchdown. Okay. Touchdown Miami. Uh-oh! Another good run! Louisville got some good backs. Wide open over middle. And Lacy. Wide open again. Okay, Chris Bell. Second to go. Look out. Got it wide open. Touchdown. Louisville. I'm telling you, this is going to be a back and forth game, bro. Louisville got a good offense.
It's okay to give everything else a rest. Welcome to the Good Night Club. Find your dream bedroom at IKEA.
Early voting is open through November 3rd. Bring your physical ID and make your voice heard.
4th and 1. He got it. Okay. Cam Ward dumping it down. Breaking tackles Fletcher. Fletcher open field. Miami got a good 1-2 punch. And they got a good receiving core too. Fletcher again, bro. He averaged like 9 a carry on the ground. 1st and 10, Cam Ward. Getting sacked. Punt it. It's actually a really good punt. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Lacy breaking tackles. Okay.
By the way, there was a penalty that was a late flag on that punt return. So the ball is actually spotted right now at the 3-yard line. A chance to double up before half. Brown's going to... Oh, the ball's loose!
Bro, he fumbled it and Miami jumps on it for the touchdown. Wow, bro. What a defensive stop by Miami. Okay. Wow. Yeah, that sucks for Louisville. Louisville, how you say it? Yeah, Louisville. Louisville. I don't know, bro. And then this right here, bro, is just what killed it. Fumbled it. Brown had a really good run earlier in the game for that long touchdown. 2nd and 1 up the middle. Did he get it? Yeah. No, 3rd down. 2nd and 10, play action. Checking it down. Breaking tackles. Ooh, hit him with a juke. Ooh. And I'm out of there! Okay. Okay. Getting outside the pocket, looking to let it fly down the sideline. Got him wide open. Good catch. 3rd and 8. Stepping up. Nowhere to go. 52-yard field goal. It is no good. That looked like it was going to be good. That sucks. 3rd and 10, Cam Ward letting it. But he caught that. Restrepo caught that off the deflection. Yeah, he caught that. Restrepo got that. Yeah, that's a catch. Oh, did it? I can't see it. It must have hit the turf. Wide open over the middle. 36. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he got the first. Louisville trying to go fast. Got him again. They don't. Oh, they got 2 timeouts though. They're good. Watson run up the middle. Uh-oh. Okay. Timeout. Probably got to settle for 3. 22-yard chip shot is good.
Hey everyone, Wheels here with a reminder to subscribe. As we
Remember, get that Yankees jersey off, bro.
I also want to let you know I made a different kind of video yesterday. I reacted to Game 3 of the ALCS between the
Yeah, I've already saw that.
Thank you, and hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Like, do more sports than college football. But you do what you want, Wheels. I love your channel though. First and 10 Miami, got him on a slant. 3rd and 6 though. Cam Ward, step it up, looking to take off. Oh, he's got it. He got it. Louisville defense is just trash. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay. Damn. Yeah, they want this one. I can tell. Cam Ward, 3rd and 6. Looking to take a shot to the end zone. What a catch by Restrepo. That's a catch. That's a catch. That's a catch, bro. Lacey returning on the kick return. Running up the middle, breaking tackles. 1 minute to beat. Oh, he's got another one, but he's getting blocked. Lacey gonna take it all the way to the end zone. Okay, Louisville. Okay. Lacey with the house call. Yeah. Who is it? Yeah. This is a house call by Colin Lacey. Like, okay. I think I butchered his first name, but my bad. Miami with the fumble? Ow! Louisville right back in it, bro. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's definitely a fumble. Yep, knocked it right out. Good punch. 3rd and 5. He's got all day. Looking to take a shot to the end zone. Touchdown, Louisville. There he is. There's that boy Brooks or Jacory. I called him. I think Jacoby Brooks. Or no, I didn't. I called him Jacoby Brooks. Yeah, Jacory Brooks. My bad, bro. He's tough. There's a dot right there though. 4th and what? Oh, he just got it, bro. Wow. 31-31. Oh, Louisville trying to come back. Cam Ward looking to take a shot down the field. It's got a wide open Restrepo. Breaking tackles. I almost scored. Cam Ward. Oh my goodness. Cam Ward, quick slant. Got him. Touchdown, Miami. Wow, bro. They got that back in no hurry at all. 4th and 7. Fake punt. And he got it. Damn. I mean, you got to. You're playing number 6 Miami, bro. Tennessee and Alabama. We gotta react to that. That should be a good game. Wide open Jacory Brooks. Getting outside the pocket. And it is incomplete. There's a flag though. Up. Wow. Oh, my bad. Excuse me. How is bad?
And Sherrod worked with Republicans to write the law cracking down on the flow of fentanyl. But Bernie Moreno opposed the bipartisan border bill so he could play politics. Sherrod Brown fights for Ohio. Bernie Moreno's out for himself.
This is more than a laptop launch. This is a you launch. AI just got personal. Introducing the Lenovo Yoga.
Oh, my bad. Alright, let's get back into it. Quick pass. Jacory Brooks. Oh, yeah! Okay, Jacory. Wide open. Louisville with the touchdown. Do your dance, Duke Washington. I see you. 2nd and 10, Cam Ward. Over the middle. Got him. Breaking tackles. Okay, Brown. St. Brown? Cam Ward first and 10. He catch that or hit ground? I think he caught it. Second and 1. Run up the middle. Touchdown, Miami! Miami just keeps answering back, bro. It's back and forth. A.J. Allen with a touchdown. Second and 8 on the outside. Oh, what a catch by Lacey. And stays in bounds. Gets an extra like 8 yards. Wow. Oh, shit. Yeah, he just had to let go of that. Yep. But it's either you take that like wicked hit or you do that. So I mean, 3rd and 22 though, and it's incomplete. Allen up the middle. Uh-oh. Good run. Louisville run defense is just bad, bro. They can't get off the field when they need to. 3rd and 3. Restrepo. Second and 10, bro. Just get some pressure on him. There you go. There you go. There you go. 10. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. 3rd and 17. Cam Ward getting up in the side of the pocket. And you're just going to let him take off for the first down. Oh, he's hurt. No, he's not. Is he good? Second and 3. Cam Ward. Ooh. Is that a fumble? Louisville taking it all away. I don't know though. Touchdown, Louisville! Yeah! Oh shit! He's not taking the shit all the way. Bro, I think it stands. Touchdown, right?
That the call on the field is critical because will they have the evidence they need?
I think that's touchdown. Ah, it's incomplete. Yeah. 3rd and 3. Then Martinez gets that first down, bro. Whoa! Martinez! Damn! He's just gonna go all the way! Ah! Damn, bro, he gave him that fucking boomstick! Holy shit. What a turn of events, bro. Louisville thought they had a fumble recovery for a touchdown, and then it comes all the way back, and then... Second and 10, Ja'Cory Brooks. Good catch. They gotta go fast here, though, if they have any chance. Quick pass, and... And goes down. Third and long, or they got, or 4th and 8, still pretty low. Looking to take a shot down the field. Look. Can't have that there. Come on. 4th and 9 though. Not again. Lacey, okay. 2nd and 10. Over the middle in the seam. Got him. Ja'Cory Brooks. Okay, they're going fast. 2nd and goal. Need it right here. Ja'Cory Brooks! Touchdown! Louisville! Onside kick. Hey, man, I got that swag. And it's over. Miami hangs on, bro. Wow. What a game. And right here. Miami wins 52-45. Or 52-45. I'm pretty sure that's what I said. I thought I said something else. Cam Ward, bro, shows why he's going to be a Heisman finalist, bro. I mean, you know, his defense wasn't helping him out, so he had to go. And his them running backs for Miami are no joke, bro. Martinez is a tank, bro. Louisville, they just fell short. Ja'Cory Brooks though is tough. Lacey. I mean, Louisville got a solid team, bro. It's not enough to beat number 6 Miami. Miami remains undefeated though. They improved to 7-0, 3-0 in the ACC. But that's gonna do it for this reaction though. Make sure y'all subscribe, like the video, and I'm out.